Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maxi. If you're new, karibu sana, and if you're family, thank you for sticking by. So today we're going to be making this natural looking, afro looking extension. So if it's something that you want to see, kindly stick by. Let's get started. In today's tutorial, you're going to be using cerees hair. I'm going to just use half a pack of it. Then we'll also need scissors, a crochet needle, and weaving cap. So let's get started. I'll fit my weaving cap on my mannequin head. Of course, that's another item you need. Or if you don't have a mannequin head, you can just use a big bowl from your kitchen. Taking one piece from the hair, I'm going to cut it into two. So this is how the first piece comes looking like. So we are going to cut all the pieces into half. Then we are going to crochet this one. So you grab a chunk of hair. This is what I'm working with. Make sure that it's of the same length. Then using your crochet needle, pass through 3 to 4 holes because you're making a bulky hair. Grab the hair using your large hook, close it, pull it through, then using your fingers make 2 knots to secure it. Just as simple as that. So I'm going to do the rest of the hair now. That's it. That's it. So the 4 bundles are over. Now I'm just going to try and trim it. So this is the extension that we've made. Now I'm just going to make a drawstring. I have my elastic band here. So I'm folding this excess material. Then through these holes, I'm going to pass my elastic band. So you just pass it like that. Then you roll, you insert in the opposite direction. Then just like that. So after you're done, this is what you're going to have, this hole to insert your hair in. Yeah, so let's insert. Hope you really enjoyed this video and learned something new. So if you did, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, and let's meet on our next one. Bye bye.